Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey. And just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. In today's video, we will share with you a project that's called RaceKingdom.io. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. Hello in the second part of the video. So our project of today is RaceKingdom.io. It's a whole project about NFTs, a game included in the project, and also token you can earn by playing the game of the project. And you can also trade the ATOZ token on Gate.io. Just click here and you will go directly to the Gate.io to see the variation of the ATOZ and buy it from here. So let's go another time to the website, and as you see, the league build race earn built from over 4 chips, 4 ATOZ, and more than 3000 unique Genesis camels, and customize your seed in any way to tackle the challenges ahead. Each race you win, you will earn tokens to ramp up to seed a demanding one so greedy up. So how the cyber stable go? Customize to win using RC 1155 and Soulbound tokens. Your account and your seeds in game evolve over time. All set and achievements and customization done to your seed will be recorded into a metadata of NFT, allowing you for free trade and increase in value of digital assets. So as you see here, there is a sweep stack, rent, stake, and win. The sweep stack will just sell for token 1 from the game, bet on your seed and compound your wins. Create your own kingdom of triumph. In the second part, rent on in-game assets, don't just fall, make it earn. Let's out your NFT to enter set games and witness for kingdom flourishing. Seek your NFT to get rewards in the race game. ATOZ game, as we said. The benefits are endless, you just need to lock in. Win has its own sweet rewards in the form of the Race Kingdom ATOZ token. Get rewarded for winner races, championship, and more. Participate, level up, become a legend. Ready, set, and boost. Each camel is specialized in designed, built, and prepared for every race. They are not just monsterized, made of lightweight metal, plastic gears, and oil. They are still camels. Biomass, genetically engineered and mechanically modified to create high-functioning cybernetic organisms, sinew and skin meddled in metal to create most durable machine in existence. Their organs are modified so that they can be pushed far beyond the limits of normal beasts, allowing them handle speed. Their jets propel them. Their eyes glow with the same color associated with their team, making each easy to identify. So the team of the project, it's Omar Gul, Shivas, Ashita Shinoy, and Erjem Marbevoka. So you can check her LinkedIn by clicking here, and also Twitter by clicking in the other icon. So as you see, it's a good project. You can use it for your own benefits. The partners of the project are Polygon, Ferrum Network, Get.io, as you see in the beginning of the video, Crypto Oasis, Defex, and more. And you can check the community of the project from here. Let's see now the NFTs of the project. So the NFTs next drop coming soon. You can from now join the whitelist. Fusing our technology over past few months, we have been developing with 60 camels. NFTs sold out in the first batch. We are launching the second batch, 999 crafted NFTs soon. This digital masterpiece won't be around for long. Grab yours before they are gone. So you can buy it from OpenSea from here. The camels, this creator an NFT that consists of over 3,000 plus 3D Genesis camels of various brand services, 300 and more 3D Genesis camels of various breeds, 7 one shared purpose, providing you with a highly challenging, immersive that gives your skill the credit it deserves. Every single NFT in the collection is unique, with characteristics trails added to reveal their unique personality. Moreover, the Race Kingdom NFTs will be lived gifts as opposed to static JPGs. So you can check all the page and see the creature genera, how it goes: Graviton, Invader, Aerojack, and Dynamo AMP, and how the rarity goes in NFTs of the project. Ultra rare 5%, the rare one 15%, uncommon 30%, uncommon for the half. Let's go now to the roadmap to see what is now the project in the map they have created in the first time. So now they are in the NFTs stage. They have already done the concept and vision, team and funding, white paper, website teaser video. All things are done. Now they will launch the NFTs as you see in the previous part. After that, the Q1 alpha gameplay, camels, cyber sables, and the other stages that you can read it from this page. Now we will see about the token. If you go to the token, the tokenomic, how it goes. The Race Kingdom ATOZ is a BEP20 complete cryptographic token that acts both as currency on the Race Kingdom platforms and independent investment asset on BSC blockchain. Using ATOZ for in the game transaction or the race lower the transaction cost to be bare minimum, and external users will receive ATOZ token as rewards in payment. Some opportunities to earn ATOZ includes breeding NFTs creators, trading NFTs creators, participating in races, hosting races in arenas, selling analytics and prediction, referral programs, reward programs, bugs reporting, and selling ad spaces. So this is it. The public sales price is this. Total raise is already $4 million, and now there is more than 75 tokens in the circulation, and initial circulation is made by 2%. So this is it. You can see more about the project from here, career and contact, or contact the project to see if there is any question you have. You can also join her Discord to see the community. If there is any question about this project, I will be here to help you, of course. So don't forget to leave a like to this video, follow to see the next videos, and thank you very much for your watching.